Hi guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Cal. Today's tutorial is a sweet pepper and mushroom curry. First thing you need is a wok. Preheat it, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then we're going to use 1 teaspoon of coriander seed and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Pop them into the pan, just a couple of seconds, cook them within the oil. And once that's done, we are going to add 1 small to medium onion. Right, so mix all your onions in and cook them down for about a minute. We're only going to cook these down till they're nice and soft. And once you get to that stage where they're nice and soft, get yourself 200 grams of tomatoes and pop them into the pan. Break them down. Cook the tomatoes for about 2 minutes. Because we're using a wok, we got a lot of heat. Normally you would cook your tomatoes down for about 4 minutes to get to this stage, but we're using a wok, so we'll get to the stage quicker. You'll see the oils come out of the tomatoes and it will reduce. And then we're going to add our spices. Do check out the video description, as I have listed all the ingredients there. Well, once you add your spices, mix them well into the tomatoes and the onions. Cook for a couple of seconds and add 200 ml of hot water. So we want to get this all mixed in together, and the total cook time for the masala is approximately 6 minutes. So after the sauce is becoming a little bit thicker, we're going to add our green chilies. You can add chili flakes, chili powder, but I prefer fresh green chilies, and add as much as you like. I'm going to have it nice and hot. So we're about 3 minutes into cooking time, and we're going to add 50 grams of butter. Melt that into the masala and cook for a further 3 minutes. As you can see now, we're getting nice and thick, and we're reaching the time of 6 minutes now. So now add your diced peppers. I've got green and red, and we're going to pop these in. And we're going to mix it all in so it's all covered in the masala, and cook them for about 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes. This will leave your sweet peppers with a bit of a crunch. If you do want it softer, cook it for about 6 minutes, 8 minutes. And you'll see them become softer, but I want them soft with a bit of a crunch. So yeah, we're going to cook these down for 3.5 minutes. Once we've reached that stage, we're then going to add our mushrooms, and I've quartered my mushrooms, so I'm going to add them to the dish, and we're going to cook these for 3 minutes. Make sure you get it all mixed in properly. And again guys, if you do want it softer, just cook it a bit longer. I like it with a bit of a crunch. The mushrooms will be nice and soft anyway. And we'll reach this stage and you can see a nice thick masala sauce over it. So next job is to add 100 ml of water. You can't actually have it like this, but if you do want it with a bit of sauce, then add 100 ml of hot water and cook for another few minutes. So I'm going in with another 50 grams of butter just to finish this off. So it's a nice buttery velvety sauce. Cook that in. Literally cook this down for a few minutes guys, and you'll see the sauce thicken up and the masala just looking beautiful. Finish with some nice fresh coriander, and there you have it. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and see you all on the next one. Take care.